Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition Online lesson on SEMrush's Keyword Difficulty tool. One of the more common errors made in organic search strategies is targeting of difficult keywords. By difficult, we mean those keywords with the highest levels of competition. As we mentioned in other videos, the higher the percentage, the more effort it will take to overrun your competition for targeted keywords. Discover search terms more easily and you'll get more opportunities to rank higher than your competitors with the Keyword Difficulty tool. Whether you are an incumbent on the market who is getting tired of trying to outrank your competition, or a new arrival doubting that you will ever top the search engine results pages, the tool can help you locate the affordable keywords, and for that reason it's very valuable. The Keyword Difficulty tool aids you in discovering which keywords will help you seize your competitors' positions in the Google or Bing Top 100. Let's see how it works. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and click to ensure we are in the SEO toolkit. Once there, head to the Keyword Research section of the left sidebar, where you will find the Keyword Difficulty link, which we will click. In the main frame of this tool, we are prompted to type in up to 100 keywords. To keep things simple, we will stick with the Domino's Pizza theme. We will use 4 keywords to demo this for you: fast pizza delivery, pizzeria near me, pizza home delivery, and Italian food near me. You will not want to be too specific, however, because SEMrush will indicate that the keyword isn't in their google.com database, so try to keep it as broad as possible. Then we'll click the green Show Difficulty button. We see many columns. For each keyword, we will see the difficulty as a percentage, with 100% being the most difficult keywords for us to obtain a high ranking. You might really want to test many keywords, especially long-tail keywords, to find the ones that are below 50%. Anything above 50% will likely be too challenging and expensive to develop high-ranking content. Volume is the next column, and obviously you want the highest volume with the lowest difficulty. Results is the number of pages that are returned for that particular keyword. SERP features highlight the SERP features that would be viewed by the user when they perform the search. Trend is the second column from the right and is useful for quickly assessing whether a keyword is getting more activity or less. We usually want to avoid these keywords where the trend is downward. Finally, there's the SERP icon, which you can click to view how the keyword looks when somebody searches for it on Google. In our case, we will choose to target with the keyword Italian food near me. Because of the 4 choices, it has the lowest difficulty rating, but with a still reasonable volume. Remember that you can export this information as well as choose any of the available databases should you be performing international SEO. So that's the tool. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.